Today we shall solve separation of variable of differential equation. In this section we shall solve about dy dx is equal to fx. That means dy dx how to solve it? Dy is equal to fx dx. Then integrate both sides, you will get the required answer. Integration fx dx plus c. Example, dy dx is equal to x square plus x minus 1 by x not equal to 0. This problem is taken from a well-known CBSE or NCERT book. Dy is equal to x square dx plus x dx minus 1 by x dx. Now integrating, this is a very easy problem. You can solve it in this way, or y is equal to x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 minus log x plus c. This is your required answer. Example 2. This problem is similar to example 1. This is solved in this way. Dy is equal to x to the power 5 plus x square dx minus 2 by x dx. Integrating both sides, you get the required answer. You write it here where c is an arbitrary constant. I have already said to you that these problems are taken from a well-known CBSE NCERT book. What you have to do, dy dx is equal to e to the power 3x minus 2x, or dy is equal to e to the power 3x dx minus 2x dx. Now integrating both sides, we get y is equal to, or y is equal to e to the power 3x by 3 minus 2 into x square by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Where c is an arbitrary constant. C is arbitrary constant. The next problem is very easy. Dy dx is equal to 1 by x square plus 1. Then dy is equal to dx by x square plus 1. Now integrating both sides, we get y is equal to tan inverse x plus c. You know the formula, integration dx by x square plus a square is equal to tan inverse x by a, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is your required answer, and you write it here that c is the arbitrary constant. The next problem is dy dx is equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. You know that 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, and this is 2 cos square x by 2. That means this is equal to tan square x by 2. Dy dx is equal to, or this can be written as sec square x by 2 minus 1, and dy is equal to this. Then dy is equal to sec square x by 2 dx minus dx. Integrating both sides, we get here y is equal to, this is tan x by 2 by half minus x plus c. That is y is equal to 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant, where c is arbitrary constant. This is your solution. Next problem is x plus 2 into dy dx is equal to x square plus 3x plus 7. Then dy dx is equal to x square plus 3x plus 7 by x plus 2. The numerator cannot be factorized, so we divide this by this. Now if we divide x plus 2 by x square plus 3x plus 7, then we get, putting here x, we get x square plus 2x. That means x plus 7 plus 1, that means x plus 2. Remainder is 5 and it can be written as x plus 1 quotient plus remainder 5 by divisor. This is the actual procedure. Then dy is equal to this into dx and this into dx. Integrating we get y is equal to x plus 1 whole square by 2 plus 5 log x plus 2 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is your solution. The next problem is dy dx is equal to tan inverse x. Then dy is equal to tan inverse x dx. You integrate both sides, you get the desired result. Then y is equal to, how can you integrate this? This can be integrated by parts. By parts method, that means tan inverse x dx minus ddx of tan inverse x dx. That means x tan inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square into x dx, x tan inverse x minus half 2x 1 plus x square dx. You know that 1 plus x square, substituting 1 plus x square is equal to z, then 2x dx is equal to dz, from where you get x tan inverse x minus half, this is 2x dx, that means dz by z. This is equal to x tan inverse x minus half log z plus c. That means x tan inverse x minus half log z means 1 plus x square plus c. This is the required answer, and c is the arbitrary constant. This is same and similar problem. We have to by parts it, log x dx, integrating we get the result. Y is equal to into dx, that means x log x minus 1 by x into x dx. Cancelling we get x log x minus x plus c. This is the solution of differential equation dy dx is equal to log x, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is example 10, and you know, it can be solved by dy is equal to cos cube x sin square x dx plus x root over 2x plus 1 dx. Integrating we get, or y is equal to, put in the first integration, put cos x সমান z, you put sin x সমান z, then dz is equal to cos x dx, then this is equal to cos square x sin square x and cos x dx. This cos x dx is equal to dz. Sin x means z square, or cos square x means 1 minus sin square x. That is equal to 1 minus z square into z square dz. And the second part is, put 2x plus 1 2x plus 1, you put 2x plus 1 is equal to u square, then 2 dx is equal to 2u du. That is, the second part is plus, this is u, x means u square minus 1 by 2, and dx means u du. Therefore, this is z square minus z to the power 4 dz, and this is equal to half u square into u to the power 4 du minus half u square du. Then your required answer will be z square dz, integration z square dz minus integration z to the power 4 dz half u to the power 4 du minus half u square du. Then this is equal to z cube by 3 minus z to the power 5 by 5 plus half u to the power 5 by 5 minus half u cube by 3 plus c. As you know that x to the power n, integrating x to the power n, we get x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integrating z square, we get 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then this is equal to 1 by 3. Z means here sin x, the sin x whole cube minus 1 by 5 sin x whole to the power 5 plus half 10 into 2x plus 1 whole to the power half into 5. Then this will be 5 by 2 plus, minus 1 by 6 u cube means 2x plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is the required result for this problem. dy dx is equal to cos cube x plus sin square x plus x root over 2x plus 1.